OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT, just unveiled a new tool that can produce detailed reports.
A powerful machine emerges, claiming abilities once thought to belong exclusively to the human mind: reasoning, adapting, solving the unsolvable. OpenAI's O3 model is here, breaking boundaries and shattering expectations. Whispers of artificial general intelligence surround it, fueling both awe and skepticism. Could this be the breakthrough that redefines intelligence itself, or something far more complex? The idea of AGI, or artificial general intelligence, has always been the ultimate goal in artificial intelligence research. Unlike the systems we use today, which excel at specific tasks like language processing or playing games, AGI would mean creating a machine capable of performing any intellectual task at a human level or beyond. It would represent intelligence that adapts across all domains without limitation, potentially revolutionizing everything from medicine to physics, art to philosophy. So, could the O3 model be the first of its kind? OpenAI has marketed O3 as a monumental leap forward, hinting that it may be the closest we've come to AGI. But what exactly is the O3 model, and does it live up to the extraordinary claims surrounding it? To answer that, we'll break down what AGI really means, how the O3 model compares, why experts are skeptical, and whether OpenAI's claims are exaggerated or justified. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have the tools to decide for yourself. Is the O3 model a groundbreaking achievement, or just clever marketing? First, let's ground ourselves in what we mean by AGI. Artificial general intelligence refers to an intelligence capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can, with the ability to generalize knowledge across domains. For example, an AGI might learn to play chess and then use that understanding of strategy to optimize a supply chain or predict stock market trends. It would exhibit reasoning, creativity, adaptability, and self-learning without requiring human intervention or task-specific training. That's a stark contrast to the AI systems we have today, which are classified as ANI, Artificial Narrow Intelligence. These systems are incredibly powerful, but limited in scope. DeepMind's AlphaGo, for instance, is a master at Go but can't write a poem or diagnose a medical condition. Even OpenAI's earlier models like GPT-3 or GPT-4, while impressive in generating human-like text, ultimately operate within narrowly defined tasks. Now enter the O3 model. When OpenAI announced O3, they didn't explicitly call it AGI. However, they hinted at capabilities that seem to blur the line between narrow AI and general intelligence. OpenAI claimed that O3 demonstrates reasoning and problem-solving abilities that go far beyond its predecessors. It was designed with advanced chain-of-thought reasoning, a method that allows the AI to break complex problems into smaller, logical steps, much like how humans tackle challenges. For example, O3 reportedly excelled at benchmarks like the ARC-AGI test, which is specifically designed to measure an AI's ability to handle tasks it hasn't been trained on. True AGI would need to meet certain criteria that go beyond solving complex tasks or scoring well on tests. It would need to demonstrate self-learning and adaptability. AGI should be able to learn new tasks with minimal data and apply knowledge across entirely different domains. For instance, if it learns a language, it should be able to use that understanding to improve its reasoning in scientific research. Independent decision-making. AGI would set its own goals, prioritize tasks autonomously, and operate without needing human prompts. Creativity and intuition. True intelligence isn't just about brute computational force. It involves thinking creatively, intuitively, and even emotionally in ways that reflect human cognition. Long-term memory. AGI would need to retain and build on knowledge across sessions, much like humans develop expertise over time. When we compare O3 against these benchmarks, things get murky. O3 does excel in reasoning and adaptability within structured environments like programming or technical problem-solving. Its chain-of-thought reasoning allows it to break problems into smaller pieces and tackle them step by step, mirroring a human thought process. However, skeptics point out that this doesn't necessarily equate to true general intelligence. O3, like other advanced AI systems, still relies on massive pre-training on specific data sets. It doesn't exhibit the kind of autonomous curiosity or creativity that AGI would demand. For example, while O3 can generate novel solutions by processing vast amounts of data, its creativity is more a result of pattern recognition and computational power than genuine intuition. And when it comes to long-term memory or persistent learning, O3 falls short. It can't retain knowledge across interactions in the way a human would. Even OpenAI itself has been cautious in framing O3 as AGI. OpenAI has also highlighted O3's ability to exhibit cross-domain reasoning, a quality that could be interpreted as a step toward AGI. For instance, O3 was reportedly able to analyze legal cases, draw parallels to ethical dilemmas, and propose solutions that blended legal precedent with ethical reasoning. This is particularly noteworthy because it indicates a capacity to synthesize knowledge from two seemingly unrelated fields, law and ethics, and arrive at a coherent conclusion. While promising, this ability is still debated, as skeptics suggest it may be a result of cleverly designed training data rather than genuine cross-domain understanding. Nonetheless, these demonstrations show how O3 could potentially serve as a tool for interdisciplinary collaboration, even if it's not yet capable of autonomous general intelligence. They've acknowledged that while O3 represents a significant leap in reasoning and problem-solving, it's still fundamentally an ANI system with emergent capabilities. These emergent capabilities, like solving novel tasks or performing at superhuman levels in specific domains, can create the illusion of AGI, but they're not the same as true generality. So why all the hype? Part of it lies in how OpenAI has marketed O3. Another significant area where O3 has drawn attention is its capacity for self-improvement, or at least the perception of it. OpenAI has hinted that O3 was instrumental in fine-tuning its own architecture, leveraging its problem-solving abilities to optimize its performance in specific tasks. While this doesn't equate to full-fledged recursive self-improvement, where an AI continually upgrades itself, it points toward the potential for more autonomous AI systems in the future. Experts argue that recursive self-improvement is a critical stepping stone to AGI, as it would allow a system to enhance its capabilities without human intervention. However, O3's reliance on external human-designed algorithms for improvement reveals how far we still are from achieving this milestone. The model's performance on benchmarks like the ARC-AGI test and its ability to generate cross-domain solutions are undeniably impressive. But some experts argue that OpenAI may be overselling its achievements to maintain its position as a leader in the AI arms race. In a competitive landscape, terms like AGI carry enormous weight, even if they're not entirely accurate. Another reason for skepticism is the lack of independent evaluation. While OpenAI has shared demonstrations of O3's capabilities, much of the data comes from their own controlled tests. Independent researchers haven't yet had full access to the model, making it difficult to verify the claims. This has led some in the AI community to question whether O3's achievements are as groundbreaking as they appear, or if they've been strategically framed to generate excitement. This brings us to an important question. Why does it matter whether O3 is AGI or not? Declaring a system as AGI prematurely could have significant consequences. It could fuel public fear about machines surpassing human intelligence, leading to panic or poorly thought-out regulations. It could also distract researchers from addressing the real challenges of AGI development, such as safety, ethics, and alignment with human values. On the flip side, even if O3 isn't true AGI, it represents a major step toward that goal. If you found this exploration of AGI and OpenAI's O3 model intriguing, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who are curious about AI, and subscribe for more deep dives into the cutting edge of technology and science. The future is closer than we think. But is it closer than we're ready for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. O3 may not be the AGI revolution, but it's a fascinating step forward. It challenges us to think critically about what true intelligence means and how we'll navigate the future of AI. Will AGI change the world or change what it means to be human? Stay tuned.
And remember to be uniquely you.